Okay, is it good? Can you see me now? Yes. Hi, everybody. Um, I hope you can see me. My name is Peter Herku. If you don't know me, I help companies to implement Lean Six Sigma and become efficient and to deliver better quality in a shorter time. And I do it since 2006. Before I start about talking about how to improve your company, if you would like to learn how to use Lean Six Sigma and other improvement methodology to deliver better results to your company, or to have better quality delivered to your customers in a shorter time against lower costs, go to herku.com/contact and fill in the form, and we'll get in touch with you. So my clients come to me with the question that they want to improve their performance. Those are established customers, established companies with at least $5 million annual sales, or about at least 25 employees, but on average it's more of companies like 15 to 20 million annual sales. And they would like to improve their performance. They're already doing well financially, but they realize they can't keep up with the way they used to work. You know, like everybody comes to the managers to ask solutions for the problems, and they can't afford it anymore. They can't afford running a company where people are not self-supported and self-conscious about how they can individually improve their own work every day. So that's why they come to me. And they tell me that they are frustrated because they would like to improve, but they don't know whether it's Lean or Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma is applicable in their specific industry. You know, because Lean Six Sigma is originally from a mass production environment, and my customers, many of them are from healthcare, so they are really they feel like lost, you know, in lots of information which is available on the internet, not helping them very much. They don't know whether to make the first step using Lean Six Sigma will really help them. So I tell them that Lean Six Sigma is based on several principles, laws, and nature of laws that are applicable in every industry, in every situation, regardless of time. For example, the Pareto law, or the Parkinson law, or working in teams, or using data to improve, or I can go on with at least 15 basic laws and principles that are applicable in any industry, whether you are working in manufacturing or healthcare or banking or insurance or education, doesn't matter. Before I continue, just let me remind you that if you are serious about improving your business, if you realize that you can't go on like this as you have been running your business, but you have to make the next step to achieve higher productivity, achieve higher efficiency, and not only with a few employees, but the whole company should be involved. That's the key. Go to herku.com/contact and fill in the form, and we'll get in touch with you to discuss how you can make the steps into a higher performing company. Okay, so as I said, I tell my customers that those principles are universal. That's why it's called principle. It's a law, so it doesn't matter where you work. If you have a customer, and if you have processes, and if you work not alone, but you have colleagues, then you have already sufficient position, then you are really eligible to use Lean Six Sigma. That's the basic, and it will help you. Let me tell you a story about this. I used to learn Lean Six Sigma in a manufacturing environment with a German machine manufacturer, but actually during my 5 weeks of training, I already started running my first projects, not only in production but also in transactional area, like claims and irritations of customers using our products. So I already realized that Lean Six Sigma can be used in every environment, therefore in every industry. Later, when I started my own company, my first healthcare customer wanted to use Lean Six Sigma, but wanted somebody outside of healthcare to make sure that the consultant doesn't have answers but only questions, that the consultant can really think outside the box, doesn't know anything about healthcare, so he really needs to use Lean Six Sigma in order to deliver results. And that's why I started there as a consultant at a healthcare company for elderly people, and I could use the same method, and I knew I could, but I was not sure, in a sense of I had no tangible results yet myself using Lean Six Sigma in healthcare. But the first project came in and we had really good results, like 42% productivity of district nurses. Very good projects, improving onboarding of new nurses, reduction of administrative burden when a new client came into this organization. So they were very good projects, and I use exactly the same method that I've learned in a manufacturing company. So that's the proof that yes, Lean Six Sigma is applicable in very different industries, because it's based on the same core principles that apply irrespective of your industry or your position or the time. So if you are interested in Lean Six Sigma, using Lean Six Sigma in your own special industry, please contact us by going to the website herku.com/contact, herku.com/contact. Fill in the form and we'll get in touch with you shortly. Yes, so thank you for watching this episode, and go to herku.com/contact to start your own journey with improving your organization.